What's good, traders? Kevin Kissel here, 30 floors below ground level in the Touchdown Trades trading dungeon. Coming at you guys with a different kind of video today. So there's been a lot of chatter on the Twitter sphere and YouTube and all the social media outlets that Ross Cameron, CEO of Warrior Trading, is the pump and dump king and that he is actually paper trading. And I've heard crazy talk from other chat rooms and stuff about him. And I just wanted to make a video talking about my opinion and what I think about one of the biggest day trading YouTubers that runs one of the biggest day trading chat rooms. Is he the real deal? Is he a good day trader? Is he a good educational teacher? Or is he a scam, a paper trader, and a pump and dump king? Well, let's talk about it in today's video. Alright, so there's been a lot of talk. I've been seeing a lot of chatter recently on the social media platforms that Ross Cameron of Warrior Trading is a pump and dump king, per se, that he's using his chat room members to pump up the stocks that he's trading in order for him to profit. I've also heard some people say that he's paper trading, and Ross is one of the biggest, most influential YouTube day traders, so I wanted to make a video talking about this and tell you what my opinion is. And I just want to disclose that this is only my opinion and that what I'm about to say is only my opinion. I've never taken any of his courses and I'm not a member of his chat room. So let's jump into it. So Ross is one of the biggest YouTubers, day trading stock market YouTubers, and as you see here, he's got over 400,000 subscribers. He has ads coming up all the time. If you're a trader and you're on YouTube, then you've seen his ads and you've seen his videos. So this is his channel. He just dropped a video talking about his trades that he had on APDN today, and he posts daily recaps on his channel, and he also does informational videos, educational videos based on trading, right? So today he traded APDN. So today the ticker that was moving was APDN, and if you're a day trader, you probably saw it. It was up 200%, actually at the highs, I think around 400%, I'm sorry. So Ross's style of trading is a breakout trader, right? He's buying the breakouts over key levels and key numbers such as whole dollars and half dollars. And that style of trading is not for everyone. It's not for me. I don't like to do it. I'd rather buy the pullback. I don't like to buy high personally because I don't feel there's a set defined risk. And when I get into a trade, I want to know exactly where I'm getting out if it doesn't go my way and it starts to go against me. But that said, just because Ross is a breakout trader does not mean for 1 second that he's a pump and dump and using his chat room to pump companies up and then dump it on his chat room members, because that's just BS. And for people to say that is just, they're just trying to promote their own chat room, their own services, and their own courses, and they're just BSers, right? Because I'm pretty sure Ross was trading the breakout strategies before he started his Warrior Trading chat room. I would almost guarantee that, right? And he's streaming it live, okay? He's streaming these trades live for his chat room, and so they know when he's getting in and they know when he's getting out. They know what he's watching. They have the opportunity to buy before him, right? So they could have, for example, they could have bought this breakout over this 750 level before him because they knew he was watching it. They could have even bought this breakout right here. He would say, for example, I'm watching APDN over this level right here, over this triangle. So they know when it breaks over, he's going to be a buyer. So he's not pumping and dumping on his chat room members. That's just BS. he is doing this for a living, right? He's trading and he's a profitable trader, but he's also making a profit off the education aspect of it as well. And there's nothing wrong with that, right? He's a profitable trader. He has a skill. He's self-taught, he learned how to trade, and now he's teaching other people how to trade. Should he do that for free? Is there anything wrong with that? No, absolutely not. He should be able to profit off a skill that he's something that he's good at, right? People want to learn how to trade, and he's offering them a service. They know the price, and if they're willing to pay it, that's fine. If he was some phony paper trader like some other YouTubers, then that would be a different story. But for anybody else who calls him a paper trader, he releases a broker statement every single month, right? On his website. Let's go to his website. Let's just Google it. Okay, so here's his broker statements that he releases every month. So how could you call him a paper trader, right? So he's got interactive brokers, Lightspeed. I think I saw a video he posted the other day with a TD Ameritrade. Okay, if you were in cahoots with one broker, but all these big brokers are gonna doctor your broker statements for you, I don't think so. He's a real trader, and for anyone to say that he's not is just them trying to promote their own service and get a leg up on his name, right? And I'm not getting paid to do this video, and I have no affiliation. I'm not a member of Warrior Trading, never will be, never have been. But I just don't like seeing people call other people out when they know that it's not true. I may even be in competition with Ross one day if I try to do an educational platform or something like that. And I hope if somebody attacks me, calls me a paper trader, or calls me a pump and dump this, pump and dump that there would be somebody that would attack my critics because they would be liars as well, right? So, in conclusion, Ross's strategy is not for everyone, okay? It's not for me, it's not for a lot of people, and I personally don't like it, right? I think it's risky, and I think when it works, you're gonna hit a home run. When it loses, you're gonna take bigger than necessary loss, and I think there's safer, more profitable ways to trade. But that said, he's profitable, so he's obviously figured something out, and he's a good trader, and he's really trading real money, and he showcases that every day live and releases broker statements. He's obviously one of the more transparent day trading YouTubers out there. So for anybody to call him otherwise is just BS. All right, guys, I'm trying to grow this channel up. There's a lot of fake day traders out there. I'm not one of them, and we need to support the real traders. So please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's grow this channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.